were just kids playing with our toys, building worlds with endless joys. Little tracks and tiny trains, we were captivated by the sound and the planes. Runaway trains running through our veins, rocking and rolling on the tracks of our dreams. The modern trains taking us away to a world where everything is just as it seems. We were just kids playing with our toys, building worlds with endless joys. Little tracks and tiny trains, we were captivated by the sound and the planes. Runaway trains running through our veins, rocking and rolling on tracks of our dreams. Model trains taking us away to a world where everything is just as it seems.